In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template in Zoho Books, a full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. To get started, first open your internet browser and navigate to Zoho Books. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to find and click on the highlighted area, which generally symbolizes the settings or customization options. This will take you to a menu where you can manage different aspects of your Zoho Books account. Now find and select the option labeled PDF Templates. This area is crucial because it provides you with the tools to tailor templates to suit your business needs. Templates make it seamless to create consistent, professional-looking documents for everything your business handles. Next, click on the Templates section. This will present you with various categories of documents that you can modify, such as quotations, invoices, and so forth. We start with quotes, which is typically the first in the list. Click on it to explore any existing templates or to begin customizing a new one. Following the quotes section, move on to invoices. In the business world, invoices are indispensable for requesting payments. Click into the invoice templates to see what options you have, or perhaps to start creating a custom design that reflects your business branding. Our next stop is credit notes. This section allows you to create templates for documents that will help in managing customer credits efficiently. After reviewing or editing here, proceed to payment receipts, an essential part of acknowledging and keeping track of the payments you receive. Continuing through these sections, click on the checks category. Here, you're managing the templates for checks issued by your company. After this, head over to customer statement, which provides a monthly or periodic rundown of transactions for your customers. Next, select bills, focusing on how your business deals with expenses and payable accounts. This area helps ensure all outgoing amounts are well documented and accounted for. From there, navigate to vendor credits to manage how you document credits given to vendors or suppliers. After that, look for the option titled Vendor Payment, another crucial part of managing outgoing funds efficiently. Following this, there's the vendor statement section. It's beneficial for maintaining an organized and accurate record of vendor interactions over time. Once you've explored all these areas, you're almost at the finish line. Move to the journals section, a faithful companion for recording financial transactions across business operations. After dealing with the journals, let's loop back to invoices. This time, you're going to look for an option to add a new template by clicking New. When you see a format you like, select Use This. It will prompt you through stages to begin customizing the selected template. Complete the customization process to align with your company's aesthetic and information needs. When you're satisfied with your template choices and modifications, the final step is crucial. Click Save to ensure all your hard work is secured and ready to use. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on crafting custom templates in Zoho Books. Custom templates lend a professional flair to your documentation while simplifying your workflow. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials.